Running an online store in 2025? It's no walk in the park. But with the right moves, your sales can soar like never before. Start by knowing your audience. Build a profile and talk to them like a friend. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Tailor your content, products, and services to meet their expectations. This will increase engagement, loyalty, and ultimately, sales. Next, make your website lightning fast. Every second counts. A slow website can lead to high bounce rates and lost sales. Optimize for mobile. Most of your customers shop with their thumbs. Ensure a seamless user experience across all devices. Don't forget the power of email marketing and social proof. People trust people. Leverage customer reviews, ratings, and testimonials to build credibility. Partner with influencers, showcase user-generated content, and create engaging campaigns to reach a wider audience. And lastly, make checkout easy. Offer great shipping options and keep the trust high. Provide transparent shipping costs, estimated delivery times, and hassle-free returns. By implementing these strategies, you'll see a significant boost in sales, customer satisfaction, and loyalty. Want to boost your e-commerce sales with smart, affordable strategies? Let MarketinGear help your small business go big. MarketinGear, your partner in e-commerce growth.